Hello everyone, and did you know that Galt used to be a knitting hub in Canada? Right behind me you can see the knitting machine from the Galt Knitting Company, and you can see it knits in a circle, and I have found a way that you can bring that home to do with you. So we're going to make a small knitting tool right here. You can see I've used a toilet paper roll, which I'm guessing many of you have extra laying around, or whatever you can find at home, and all I've done is taped popsicle sticks to the sides. You could hammer nails into a piece of wood, whatever it is you have at home that can make a circular sized object and you can attach pieces to. Doesn't matter the size of the circle, which is also the best part. You need some yarn. And what I have done so far with my yarn is I have tied a little knot in the end. I'm going to stick the extra string into the center and loop that knot over top of one of my popsicle sticks. Now all I want to do from here is bring it on the inside, wrap it around the popsicle stick and back to the front. So you're going to come in on the inside, wrap it around and back to the front. And all I'm doing with my other hand is gently holding it at the back so it keeps it in place. I'm not pulling very tight, I'm gently winding it around. On the inside, winding it around. On the inside, winding it around. Now you're going to go all the way around until you get back to that very first popsicle stick. Now we were just on the inside, but we're going to come to the outside. And now on the outside, I'm going to turn it on the side so you can see what we're doing. What we're going to do now is take that bottom hoop, which is the same one we had from before, and pull it over top of that new one. So you can see this is the string I'm working with over top, using that bottom loop and slipping it over top, scooching it back down if it gets away on you at all, pulling it from the bottom and back over to the top. And you can keep going. You'll see that Rachel has been working on this for quite a while and she has made some great progress. So this is what it'll look like out the bottom, and all you're doing is wrapping it around and pulling the next piece over. We've used a pencil to help us do so, but you can see Rachel's gotten creative and she's using just her fingers. So we can't wait to see your work with your knitting machines at home.